Hello students, today we will study unit number 2 AC circuits, in which we are going to understand the meaning of RMS value of current and RMS value of voltage. Also in this video we are going to derive the equation to find out the RMS value of current, which is Im upon root 2 or 0.707 Im. So I hope you are ready with your pen and paper. So without wasting much time, let us start this video. Okay, so first of all, one question is there that we have studied so many voltages, like we have studied Vm maximum voltage, we have studied V instantaneous voltage, also we have studied average voltage. So question is that at our house, whatever 220 volt supply is there, that is which value? That is the maximum value, instantaneous value of voltage, or average value of voltage? So answer is that is our RMS value of voltage, that is your VRMS. So compared to these three quantities, maximum, instantaneous and average, RMS value is very much important. So that is why we have to study the RMS values of current and potential. Okay. Now that is all about the introduction, you can say, of IRMS values. Now first we will understand the meaning of RMS means what. So R means what? R means root. M means what? It is your mean, which is also known as average, and S means what? It is your square. So full form of RMS is what? Root mean square. If you want to find out the value of IRMS, then what you have to do? First of all, you have the value of current, okay, then you will take the root of it. So I will take root of it, then you will take mean of it or average of it. So symbol of mean or average is this, and then you will do the square. So that is your square. So in this way you can find out the value of IRMS. Okay, so meaning of RMS is clear to you, which is root mean square. Okay, now we'll derive the equation for current RMS value, which is Im upon root 2. How? So first I will write IRMS is equals to what? Root mean of current square. Now that I is what? That is your mean current or average current. And how you will find out the value of average current? So in previous video we have derived this equation. I is equals to what? If you have remembered, integration of I dt divided by integration of 0 to t time interval dt. So with the help of this equation we can find out the average value, or you can say mean value of current. Okay, we will proceed further, which is equals to, next what we can write? Root of. Now value of I also we have derived, which is I is equals to Im sine omega t. So that same value will insert. So average or mean value of average or mean value of I is equals to what? Im sine omega t square. Okay, now I will make square inside. How? So it will be your Im whole square sine square omega t, that is average, or you can say mean, whole raised to square root means whole raised to 1 by 2. Okay. Next what we can do here, that is what? That is average value or mean value. Average value or mean value we can find with the help of this equation. So now that equation we will apply over here. How? That first of all I will write integration of what? I dt. I is what? I is this whole term. So I will write integration of Im square sine square omega t. Okay. And remaining is what? Remaining is dt. So I will multiply it with dt divided by integration of dt. Now here we are finding the RMS value for full cycle. And for full cycle, you know very well, for full cycle, that is your full cycle, and that is your time axis, that is your current axis. So that is your 0 time, that is t by 2 time, and that is t time. So for full cycle, that means integration of 0 to t, that you know very well. So I will write integration of 0 to t. Over here also integration of 0 to t whole raised to 1/2. Okay, next what we can do? we know very well that maximum current, that is your maximum current, Im, that maximum current is constant, it will never change. So that thing I will make outside of the integration. So Im square, remaining is integration of 0 to t, remaining is what? Sin square omega t dt divided by, now integration of 1 dt is what? It is simple t, that is limit 0 to t whole raised to 1/2. Then Im square, okay, that is your integration of 0 to t sin square omega t. You have heard about one equation in maths. Which one? That sin square theta is equals to what you were writing? 1 minus cos 2 theta divided by 2. So same equation will apply over here. Sin square theta is what? Omega t. So I will write 1 minus cos 2 theta is what? Omega t whole divided by 2. Remaining is dt and divided by, that is your upper limit minus lower limit. Upper limit is t minus 0. So that divided by t, that t I will take over here. Okay. Acha. Then remaining is nothing. So raised to 1/2. Next what I will do, that Im square divided by, now that 2 also I will make outside of the integration as it is constant. So 2t. Then I will separate this integration how? 0 to t 1 dt minus integration of 0 to t, remaining is cos 2 omega t dt whole raised to 1/2. Okay. Next what we can do, Im square divided by 2t, then integration of 1 dt is what? Right now I tell you only t, 0 to t minus, that integration of this term will be what? Cos x is sin x, x is what? 2 omega t, and divided by integration of this term, which is 2 omega are constant, integration of t is 1, so it will be only 2 omega. Limits are 0 to t and whole raised to 1/2. Okay. Now next what we can do for this IRMS of current. So IRMS value is equals to, now I can write Im square divided by 2t multiply with what? That is upper limit minus lower limit. So capital T minus 0. So it would be t only. Acha. Minus. Now this thing I am going to rub. Space is required. Okay. Next thing is what? Upper limit minus lower limit. So sin 2 omega capital T. So I will write over here sin 2 omega capital T divided by 2 omega minus lower limit sin 2 omega, lower is 0. So I will write sin 2 omega 0 divided by 2 omega. Okay. Whole raised to 1/2. Okay. Now next is what? IRMS is equals to, the t will get cancelled. So Im square divided by 2, then minus, that is the sin 2, value of omega you know very well. Value of omega is what? 2 pi by t, that you know very well. Multiply with t divided by 2 omega minus sin, that is 2 omega multiply with 0. So that will be a sin 0 divided by 2 omega whole raised to 1/2. So IRMS is equals to Im square divided by 2 minus, that is t will get cancelled. So it will be a sin 4 pi divided by 2 omega minus value of sin 0 is what? It is 0 divided by 2 omega whole raised to 1/2. That whole raised to 1/2. Then IRMS is equals to Im square divided by 2 minus, now value of sin 4 pi is how much? It is also 0. So I will write 0, that is also 0 whole raised to 1/2. IRMS is equals to Im square by 2 whole raised to 1/2. IRMS is equals to, that 2 will get cancelled over here. So Im and that 1/2, 2 raised to 1/2 means root 2. So that is the value of IRMS. And further if you will derive 1 divided by root 2 value. So 1 divided by root 2 is nothing but 0.707 Im. So that is the derivation of finding the IRMS value. So I hope you are able to understand this derivation. Now I would like to end this video. So till then, read hard, work hard. Thank you very much.